So I I got caught up in fame for a while, and I just realized I was doing things for the wrong reasons, the wrong heart posture, the wrong motives, and it's very dangerous because can lead you to hell. I believe just doing things for the wrong reasons. Because your heart's not in God; it's in fame, and that's had me for like and man, I'm trying to like get out of it, but it's like it's extremely addictive, very addictive, and I've never um, been like this self-aware. So I'm thankful that God's given me awareness through it. But man, it's incredibly scary having just just being like consumed by fame. Like it's the praise of man, and that is not what satisfies your soul. That is not what gets you into heaven. It's not anything like that. It's so vain and empty, for real. Like if you're chasing like YouTube, views on YouTube or Instagram, or you're trying, in social media or music or whatever, and you're a Christian, like just realize, like, just try to be aware of why you're doing it. And like it's really hard because you can just say, "Oh, I'm just doing it for the right reasons," but are you really like? And I was just like, man, it's 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 been eye opening to just take a step back, and I'm like, I literally, my soul is addicted to it, or whatever is addicted to it. I'm addicted to it, and it's like, okay, take a step back. It doesn't matter. I know that's why I'm posting I mean, I'm posting a video right now, but for real, like, it doesn't matter. Like all those views that I got on YouTube in the past, like, it's kind of like it's gone now. I mean, they're not gone, but they still are viewed there. See the views there, but they're pretty much gone. Where it's like, nobody cares anymore. It's 10 years later, like, you know, and then on Instagram, it's like, like my point is, it's temporary. Like, it's like the Elon Musk. Yeah, he's probably gonna be talked about like hundreds of years from now, but like if you think of like an average athlete, famous athlete, they're probably going to be forgotten pretty quick after they die. Like most people are, like, you know. So, and that's okay. Like we don't need to be remembered and leave a legacy when we have Jesus. Like, I mean, I don't know. But focusing on that number one is very, very detrimental. And so, yeah.